First, race to the end of the trail and do not disturb the wildlife. That would be bad.
Yeah, we wouldn't want to upset the bunnies.
The tiniest sound can set them off.
Lightning is on a team of losers.
Come on, winning isn't everything.
Yeah!
This?
Stay here. Lightning and Sam capture their maggoty flag.
Maybe someone with a little more leg-foot coordination should...
And go! Let's book it!
Great, more running. Ooh, looks like the thunder's gonna arrive before the lightning. I'm Thunder! Whoa!
Don't worry, buddy. Lightning will get you out after we win. Huh? What? Hey, let's go. We gotta win this.
Shabam!
Time to refuel.
Dude, sounds like a shaman warlock cast a screaming spell on you.
Lightning was robbed.
What'd they take? Your weapons or your armor?
My protein powder.
Oh, yeah, that is totally worth freaking out over, probably.
One side. This is how you pump air.
This thing? That's 10 years of gaming right there.
Video games? Listen, champ, we are men. You are a smelly ball of dough with ears.
Smelly? Hey, gamers are athletes too. We've got keen hand-eye coordination, cat-like reflexes. Watch.
Go get him, you crazy couch potato!
Burn.